Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to Text.x. So today we're gonna do project number C2. Okay, so let's get started. The project's name is ADV-C2 Draw a Cat. Here, the goal is to draw an outline of the face of a cat. Okay, so our main goal is to draw an outline of the face of a cat. Now, the additional goal is to add the eyes and mouth to the face of the cat. And the additional goal too is to add the eyes and tongues to complete the face of the cat. Okay, now the story. Matta loves drawing, especially drawings of animals. So far, he has drawn on paper using crayons and pencils. But now he wants to try drawing using code. He wants to start with basic steps that would need it to be create a face of a cat. Can you guide him? Yes, sure, we can guide him. So there is a note, avoid drawing curved shape. You can use different colors to make it look beautiful. Okay, so don't copy this picture. It is just for the reference. Now, first of all, we need to log into code.org. This is the project template that I'll be giving, and we'll be using this. Then this is how the main face should be, and then we need to give it a code, and then it should look like this. So the final output should look like this or like this. Okay, so this is the final output of what you make. So now let's get started. So yeah, so this is how we make it. Yeah, this is how it will be. So first, about the border. So we set the color for the border to blue. So as you can see, we set it the color to blue. Then the boy will be over here, so we need to jump because as you can see this, because he is here and he jumps over here, then he jumps he jumps again over here, and then he jumps again over here. See this, he jumped over here, then he do a line, then he do this. So I'll explain you one minute. First he set the color to this, then he jumped over here. Okay, see this. First he set the color, then he jumped backward, then he moved forward. So I'll explain. He jumped over here, he then jumped over here, he went over here, he made a line, he then took a left, and then he moved forward. So that jump backward that he took, it was of 130 pixels, and when he jumped from here to here, it was from 200 over to 300 down, because he jumped from here to here direct. Then he jumped backward by 130 pixels, so like this from here. Then he moved forward by 200 pixels. Then he took a left turn by 90 degrees. So he took a left turn by 90 degrees. Then after that, he went forward only to make this straight line. And then he again took a left for this thing, and then moved forward by 25 pixels for making this thing, small thing. Then he now took a right to make its ears. He now took a right by 90 degrees, and he moved forward by 55 pixels, because to make this thing we need to move by 55 pixels. Then he took a left turn of 90 degrees, and then he moved forward for 25 pixels to complete his ears. Then he again took a left by 90 degrees, and then he moved forward by 55 pixels. Then he again took a right because he wanted to go over here, and then he moved forward by 100 pixels, and again he repeated the same process. So we need to turn right by 90 degrees, then we need to move forward by 55 pixels, then we turn left for this thing, and then we move it forward by 25 pixels, then we again turn left, and then we go down turn down 90 degrees, and then we move forward by 55 pixels, and then we again turn right to go over here. We take right of 90-degree angle, and then we move forward by 25 pixels, and then we take a left turn to go over here for 90 degrees, and we move forward by 150 pixels. Then we jump backwards. So after it comes over here, we jump backward by 100 pixels. So let's wait for when it comes. Yeah, as it is happening, it is turning left and it is doing as we wrote. Now we jumped backward from here to here. Then it will turn left by 90 degrees. Then it will jump forward. So it will jump from here to here by 50 pixels. Then it will turn right, and then it will repeat this 4 times. It will move forward by 25 pixels. Then it will turn left. Then it will move forward. Then it will turn left. Then it will move forward. Then it will turn left. Then it'll again turn left. So when it comes over here, it'll again turn left, and then it'll jump forward by 75 pixels till here. Then it'll turn right and it'll move forward by 25 pixels, and it'll repeat this 4 times again. Turn left by 90 degrees, then move forward by 25 pixels. Turn right by 90 degrees and move forward by 25 pixels. Then it'll jump forward to here, then it'll turn right, and then it'll jump forward by 25 pixels over here, and then it'll again turn right by 90 degrees, and then it will jump 1 second. Yeah, yeah. It, 1 second, guys. Yeah. So it'll jump forward, and then it'll turn right, then it'll again jump forward, and it'll again turn right. So we'll do this two, one, two, three, 1, 2, 3. We'll do this 3 times. Jump forward by 40 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees. Then jump forward by 25 pixels and turn right by 90 degrees. Jump forward by 50 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees. Then again turn right by 90 degrees. Then move forward by 30 pixels. And after moving forward by 30 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, and they'll again jump forward by 25 pixels. So now they'll turn right 2 times by 90 degrees and then move forward for 50 pixels to make this nose. Then they'll turn right and by 90 degrees, and they'll again turn right by 90 degrees. They'll jump forward by 8 and they'll turn left by 90 degrees again. They'll jump forward by 6 pixels, and then they'll set the color for this thing. They'll move forward by 10 pixels, then a right by 90 degrees, then move forward by 30 pixels, then a right by 90 degrees, then move forward by 10 pixels. So jump forward by 34 pixels now. So they'll go over here and turn right by 90 degrees and jump forward by 154 pixels. So now they are going for both the eyes. Yeah. So for the eyes, sorry. Yeah, for the eyes, we set the color to green. Then we move it forward by 2 times, and we repeat 4 times. We make a small box as we made. Then we again jump backward for this 79 pixels, and we move forward, and we repeat this again for that small box. Now, you can just see the code also. Okay, and I'll upload this code on Google Drive also and give it to you. So if you want to copy the code down, you can copy it. So now I will, yeah, okay. Now I'll give you the project link in the description box, and so I'll also show you the measurements. Yeah. So these are all the measurements. So whatever we did, we need to do the same thing, and then we need to do the same thing to get this output. And now, so I'll end this over here only for today. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, guys. Yeah, bye bye.